My life revolves around the sun. Morning light, the evening light, those are the magical times for me. Up, first light, there's something really special. It's like that, the birthing of the sun. What are you chewing on? A little varmint. My name's Rob Machado. I am a professional surfer. I was a full-time competitive professional surfer on tour, 12 years. I won the US Open, and I also won the Pipeline Masters. Kind of evolved into the free surf world and traveling and working on projects. And here we are, carved by the sea. Surfing is one of the highest forms of meditation. You're out there, the currents, the water's moving, there's wind, the tide's changing. All your senses are active, right? But it becomes like, it's just like second nature, and it becomes very peaceful. When I come out of the water, I come in with all this energy, and surfing's already creative. Building your own surfboards is like a whole nother side. Now it's like this direct connection to the craft that you're riding. Because you built it, there's that energy that you poured into it. At the end of every day, am I gonna sit down and remember like what was good about today? Which I think is kind of cool. Being more intentional, being more focused on like, all right, what's important? Part of that is disconnecting. Life on land can be a little intense and overwhelming at times, and to have that disconnect, going in the ocean and I come back in just recharged, re-energized. As we move through life and evolve and grow, we need more energy.